1.
Object. Pick something. Object definition. Copy tuning. Extract tuning.
2.
Object tuning. Pick something that has a name. Copy number. Extract tuning.
3.
Interaction tuning. Under display name, paste script. Copy the instance code. Game file cruiser. Paste instance. All. Add to current package.
4.
Hash generator. Make a name. High bit on. Copy FV64. DST image. Data. Paste in instance. Interaction tuning. Replace the instance line. Create an icon. Either 30 by 30 or 40 by 40. Save as PNG. Import it. Done. Okay, now this is cool. For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.